the Panzera Aquamarine A45 watch review. Well, today I will show you also my personal one that I bought 4 months ago, and I'm very happy about it. But let's talk a little bit about this company, who was established in 2009 in Australia by young people. It was a sort of, at that time, a sort of a startup that really went really well. They are still working really well. They have beautiful watches for a very fair price. It's all made in Australia, but also some operations are made in Lugano, Switzerland. What do? They do this sort of modern vintage, as they say, or neoclassic design. Here you can see some images of my personal watch. I repeat, I'm very happy about it. In fact, to be honest, I bought 2 of them. So next time I will show you also my other Panzera watch, which is a SPORTY, and we'll see this later in another video. So the Aquamarine A45 Atlantic Blue comes with several types of straps. This one, it's in silicone, Atlantic Blue silicone rubber, which I really like. It's 3-dimensional, it's solid, and it has those stitches that are really nice. So something that I didn't see yet on other silicone rubber straps. And it has this watch has a 200 meters water resistance. Okay, with the strap you can get also genuine Italian leather straps, which are very good quality, very well crafted. The glass is sapphire glass with the anti-reflection coating. The dial has the lume hands for a very good night vision of the time. So it is a 45 millimeters diameter, which is a little bit big, I know, but it goes really well with my wrist. Therefore, I'm not ashamed of it. I feel quite comfortable, and the real thing is that what is really paying off here, it's the design, the overall design of this beautiful timepiece. Very robust, as I said, very solid. But look at that graphics, look at those hands, look at those colors, look at that blue and the reflections that the blue is giving for the finish they have put on the base of the dial. So I think it's really has a really good quality. I'm really quite satisfied personally. And also the movement. For example, it is an NH35 Japanese movement. It's very accurate according to my use. It has a 41 hours power reserve, which is not bad. I know that today some watches like Tissot, they have 80 hours reserve, but 40 hours, honestly, it's fine. I don't see any bad things about that. The price is 440 euros, but today for the Christmas sale they sell it at 264 on their website. If you like this video, put your like, follow, subscribe, and see you for the next video.